Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by confirming prerequisites, your account, backup codes, and the device running your Authenticator app. Open Discord on desktop or web and sign in. This is faster and safer for 2FA changes. Once signed in, go to User Settings, then My Account. Make sure to pause any VPNs or ad blockers that might interfere. Now, locate the two-factor authentication section and click Remove or Add Authenticator to begin. You're initiating a controlled, reversible change, so move deliberately and keep backups visible. You'll now handle the complex middle steps. Either disable then re-enable 2FA with a new app or recover access without the old device. If you still have the old phone, open your Authenticator, copy the 6-digit code, and disable 2FA in Discord before re-adding it. If the device is lost, redeem a backup code or use your phone number for SMS recovery. Next, install an Authenticator app, scan the QR code or type the manual key, and enter the new code to verify. You complete the process by saving backup codes and testing a fresh login. This confirms everything works. Once done, put codes in a safe, offline location or a trusted password manager, and consider enabling SMS fallback for emergencies. If verification fails, double-check the Authenticator's time sync and rescan the QR code. Time drift is a common issue. If you remain locked out, contact Discord support and supply proof of ownership. That step can take time, so be patient and follow their instructions closely.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.